At Thomson Medical, we believe it is important for mothers to eat well post-pregnancy to restore your health and nourish your baby. Our menu is curated by a team of lactation consultants, traditional Chinese medicine physicians, and dietitians using the best ingredients. Kinmemai rice contains more nutrients compared to conventional white and brown rice, such as vitamin B and E, which are integral to a child's growth. For recovering mothers, the lower calories and sugar content makes it the preferred option. Apart from the nutritional benefits, the taste is also superior due to Kinmemai's patented technology. You have the option of selecting Kinmemai rice in our inpatient meals, our confinement food delivery meals, or find it at our retail and online pharmacy, www.thomsonbaby.com. Our signature fish and papaya soup is packed with proteins, vitamins, and minerals to aid in production of breast milk. You can also savor the freshness of the ocean with Kühlbarra's ocean-raised barramundi in our inpatient meals. Free of antibiotics, growth hormones, and 5 times higher in brain-boosting omega-3 than regular fish, the tasty and healthy meal promotes healing and helps with recovery and brain development. Kühlbarra fish is tested safe for mercury, suitable for pregnant women, lactating mommies, convalescents, and the whole family. All mothers can request for our complimentary Longan Red Date Tea after delivery. From a TCM perspective, Longan Red Date Tea is highly beneficial for postpartum recovery, a good source of iron to replenish the blood supply, and to help warm the body for healthy circulation. It is our priority for all mothers to leave Thomson Medical with a well-nourished body and baby.